Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's kitchen remodel, we moved around some appliances to be able to incorporate a double oven to make cooking easier for these homeowners. We also added a Peninsula with seating that also created more storage space and countertop space. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the kitchen looked like before demo started. Here is what the kitchen looks like after everything has been removed. The electricians are doing the rough-in since the demo is complete. The electrical and plumbing rough-in are now finished, and the drywall work is now starting. The drywall is finished and we are ready to begin installing the floor. In this kitchen, we are installing an LVT floor. The product is Mannington Adora Distinctive Collection Iron Hill Fireside 6x48 planks. The floor is finished and the cabinets are getting installed. They are Waypoint 410F painted maple linen. They are a white shaker style door and drawer front. The finishing touches have been put on the cabinets. The hardware we used is Richelieu 877-195 pools. The quartz countertop we installed were Cambria Windermere with double roundover edges. The backsplash we installed was MSI Anisa Blanco Picket tile installed vertically with Laticrete bright white grout. Here is the completed kitchen. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this remodel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.